Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: fresh egg whites, granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of cream of tartar. It's super important to make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are absolutely spotless and free of any grease. Then, carefully separate your egg whites, ensuring not even a speck of yolk gets in. This preparation is key for perfect results. Once your egg whites are ready, start whipping them on a medium speed. You'll notice them becoming light and foamy after about a minute or two. This is the perfect time to add about 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. It acts as a stabilizer, helping your meringue hold its shape beautifully. Keep whipping until you see soft peaks forming, which usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. They should gently flop over when you lift the whisk. Now for the magic. Begin adding your granulated sugar very slowly, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is still running. This gradual addition is crucial for dissolving the sugar properly. Once all the sugar is in, increase your mixer speed to high. Continue whipping until the meringue becomes wonderfully glossy and forms stiff, upright peaks that hold their shape firmly when you lift the whisk. This stage typically takes another 5 to 7 minutes. With your beautiful meringue ready, it's time to bake. You can pipe or spoon it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake your meringues at a very low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 to 2 hours. This slow baking dries them out perfectly. Once baked, turn off the oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely. This ensures they become wonderfully crisp and don't crack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.